Want to show you the X connector for dual circuit track. We've taken the screws out so you can see on the inside. It's pretty busy in here. And this is set up right now to take power from these two tracks here and these two tracks here, and they are isolated. So your power feed's going to have to probably come in from another location, or you can knock it out here. But these jumpers are made to be removed if necessary. And again, your electrician will be able to get it all wired correctly for you. I'm going to take it and flip it over and show you the other side, so you can see the back of the X connector. And again, all dual circuit track has 4 contact points.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.